Welcome to Homework Lib.
All right, given that ABCD is a rhombus and segments AC and CE are congruent, let me mark those as it looks like you had done already, AE and CE. Well, what does it mean to be a rhombus? The definition of a rhombus is that all four sides of this are congruent. That's the definition of being a rhombus. So, that would mean for what we want to prove um, about angles ADE and CDE that are part of these triangles. Let's prove those triangles congruent. And so AD would be congruent to DC by the definition of a rhombus because those are two sides of the rhombus, so they have to be the same. Also, there's a shared side to those two triangles. So I'm going to say next that DE is congruent to segment DE. That is called the reflexive property. Then that would mean we have enough information to say, for instance, triangle ADE is congruent to triangle CDE by side, side, side. There's three corresponding sides that are congruent, so the triangles are congruent. And that allows us then to say angle ADE is congruent to angle CDE because these angles are parts of those congruent triangles, and corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. CPCTC.